Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to make a vision board. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type vision board to explore hundreds of pre-designed templates. You can select a template that aligns with your aspirations or begin with a blank canvas for a truly personalized creation. This initial step sets the foundation for visualizing your dreams and bringing them to life digitally. Now, let's populate your vision board with inspiring elements. You can easily upload your own cherished photos and images directly into Canva. Additionally, explore Canva's vast library of millions of stock photos, illustrations, and graphics to find perfect visuals. Don't forget to incorporate powerful text, motivational quotes, and affirmations to reinforce your goals and keep your focus sharp. Customizing your vision board is where your creativity truly shines. Easily resize, rotate, and position each element to create a harmonious layout. Experiment with various filters and adjust image transparency to achieve your desired aesthetic. For better organization, group related elements together, allowing you to move and manipulate them as one unit. This step ensures your board is visually appealing and perfectly reflects your unique vision. Once your vision board is complete, it's time to save and share your masterpiece. Download your finished board in a high-resolution format like PNG or JPG for crisp quality. Consider setting it as your computer desktop or phone background for daily inspiration. You can also share your vision board with a close friend or family member to gain their support and accountability on your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.